What's up, guys? Welcome back to Amazing RC. It's your boy Brian here, and as you can see, we've got our E-MAXX here, and basically what I wanted to do was get back out here in the parking lot. We're up at the church right now, and get things tested out. Kind of see how things are going with, the top speed. I took the spur gear out. I had the 68 in it. I took that out and threw the 62 back in. And what I'm hoping for is just a bit more top end. But I tell you, this thing handles so good out here just on the concrete. I'm very, very happy. But let's take it back out here. We'll go around the whole church here. Have a little bit of fun. Absolutely love this E-MAXX. Just handles so good. What it'll do in the grass. This thing's really low now. Well, she still moves in the grass. Shouldn't do too bad out there. Come on in there. There you go. Absolutely love how the suspension is in this now that I took care of the suspension. Did that little bit of a tweak. Got a really nice stiff suspension now. I mean, I feel very confident, going in and out of things like that. I really do trust the truck now to go exactly where I point it. As you can see, I've got really no traction roll at all. I mean, I haven't flipped it up. Of course, I'm not doing 90 miles an hour either. Love this truck. Oh, there's some tall stuff out there. Now basically we're just going to try to warm this thing up, because if you remember, it was getting warm enough to where it was scary. Got the motors were really, they weren't even getting warm, they were getting hot. And, that's no good. We should charge up this hill and then charge back down. Ooh. You! Love it. Dang, this truck. There we go. Up. Meow. No idea what's here. Yes! Meow. I love it. Right on the gravel. Love it. Oh, there we go. There's a traction roll. But I was able to save it, Same thing there. It's a really good bash. There we go. Much better. Much better. Much better. There we go. Oh, big hole. Didn't know that was there. I'll have to keep an eye out for that. Oh, okay. That must have been a hole inside. Watch the rear passenger side lock up. And I'm guessing that was a rock in the wheel. Dang, this truck is just great. We're going to make our way to the front here, and we're going to close down this bash session before we break something, because I tell you, this was a good one. I tell you, POV, this had to be really exciting. Well, guys, I'm telling you, I really like how it's running right now. No, it's not, brushless fast. It's a dual brushed motor, and it's acting like it, but I love it. I love it. I love it. It's my dual brushed E-MAXX, guys. It's Brian, Amazing RC. We'll get you guys another really cool video very, very soon.